will depart from platform 1.
Today we are going to cross Dubai Creek by boat. It's also called Abra. In Arabic it's called Abra. So we are going to cross Dubai Creek by boat from Al Ghubaiba to Dera side. This is Al Ghubaiba metro station. Sorry. We just starting our journey from Al Ghubaiba metro station towards the marine transport station for Abra. Abra means crossing. So we are going for crossing Dubai Creek. This is Al Ghubaiba metro station, and there is exactly that area, Al Ghubaiba bus station. So this is pedestrian walkway towards the marine station. Galadari group of companies office. We are just reaching the marine transport station of Al Ghubaiba. Al Ghubaiba is integrated station, Al Ghubaiba Marine Transport Station by RTA. Integrated traffic transport station for marine transport, for bus station, for bus and for metro. The traffic system, the transport system is connected and integrated in Al Ghubaiba. There is another line, gold line of Dubai Metro. A new line of Dubai Metro gold line will be starting from Al Ghubaiba and will be crossing through very important areas of Dubai, congested areas. Al Ghubaiba Marine Transport Station. You can see Al Ghubaiba Marine Transport from here. From here you can ride the ferry. This is the ferry towards Sharjah every day, morning and evening time. So without any traffic congestion, without any road headache, you can go by ferry transport, marine transport to Sharjah. Ministry of Finance. This is the Ministry of Finance building. So all this area is Al Ghubaiba Marine Transport Station. There are beautiful residential and office buildings, and one and only very famous Bank of Baroda building. This is Dubai Creek. Dubai Creek. We are on Dubai Creek, Al Ghubaiba. So we are going to cross this Dubai Creek by boat today. It's also called Abra in Arabic. It's called Abra. Abra means crossing. So we will be crossing Dubai Creek by boat. Now we are going to Al Ghubaiba Marine Transport Station. There are outdoor seatings. There are outdoor cafes and seating arrangements. Here are the boats for the public to cross the. There are cats waiting for the food. Cats, beautiful cats. So the boats are waiting for their number. This is a waiting area. Al Khubaiba Marine Transportation, exactly in front of Bank of Baroda. Al Khubaiba Marine Transport Station. So we are now on the deck and riding the boat exactly here. So this is our boat for crossing, and there are other boats in the line waiting for their number. These are the anchor points. There are public. There is arriving from Dera side. Now we are going towards Dera. So this is Bank of Baroda, and this is Bar Dubai or Al Khubaiba Marine Transport Station. So finally we are leaving Al Khubaiba Marine Transport Station and going towards Dera side. The boat is now moving towards Dera for crossing this beautiful Dubai Creek. You can see the Bank of Baroda. This is a very famous building in Bar Dubai. Other boats are arriving at Al Khubaiba or Bar Dubai. We are moving towards Dera side, and this is the George Hotel in Dera, opposite of Bank of Baroda. This is the George Hotel, also very famous and very old hotel building. There is another marine transport station, this one. There are multiple, one more boat is coming. There are multiple marine transport stations in Bar Dubai and Dera. They are just nearby each other on just walking distance. This is the second marine transport also in Bar Dubai. After that there is another Al Seef area. So this is Dera side of Dubai Creek, and this is the Bar Dubai side of Dubai Creek. There is boats are moving up and down there and Bar Dubai. This is a beautiful masjid minaret. We are just near our crossing point, Dera side. In this area is Old Souk, and Gold Souk, and other old markets of Dera. You can see another boat crossing. There is one more beautiful masjid here. One masjid, this one, and one masjid, this one, nearby each other. These two towers are twin towers of Dera, very famous twin towers. So this is our station. It's called Dera Old Souk Marine Transport Station. So we just reached Dera Old Souk Marine Transport Station. This is our last point. So we are reached here on Old Souk Marine Transport Station. So this is Dera Old Souk Marine Transport Station, managed by RTA. There is a pedestrian underpass for crossing this road, and it's Shara Bania Street. There is Old Baldia Street, Old Souk and the Gold Souk, all this side. These are the sitting arrangements for the public with the old and classic wooden structure. All these are buildings old style. So finally we cross Dubai Creek from we ride from Dubai Al Ghubaba Marine Transport Station, and we reach here. There are Old Souk water taxi or the Marine Transport Station. You can see here the boats, the yachts, and this is Dubai Creek. Along Dubai Creek there are walking and pedestrian jogging areas, rest areas. People are sitting on the sitting benches and enjoying their cool wind and cool weather. The wind always very fresh and cool here, because it's once it touches the water it becomes cool and fresh. We are now walking along the Dera side of Dubai Creek. There are UAE flags on every boat. This is a very vast walking area for the public. As you can see, other side is Bar Dubai and Dera, and this side is Dera. There are different companies, offices, wholesale markets, banks and other business centers Dera side. Dera is famous for wholesale markets and for its business activities. We are going to close our video here. Please keep supporting. Our aim, our target is to travel all over the world all the countries which are possible. So your sport is very important for our journey to the world. Thank you very much, everybody. Please keep supporting.